But the rain is coming down and we are looking at Lala approaching the Hawaiian Islands. So really approaching the Big Island. We have the hurricane warning here that is until this morning at 11 p. or excuse me, this evening till 11 p.m. their time. And then any area you see here in the blue, that's their tropical storm warning. And that is going to be until 11 p.m. this evening as well. As that track starts to move across, you can see it just sort of skates by the south end of the Big Island and it stays to the south as we start to head into the next day or so. It's moving at west-northwest at 13 miles an hour, 65 miles an hour on the winds. Expected to be a Category 1.